Welcome back to Beautyistic. Are you tired of struggling to clean between your teeth, especially with all those tiny spaces that a toothbrush just can't reach? Well, I've got something that might make your dental routine a whole lot easier. Today, I'm reviewing the Amazon Basics Interdental Picks, the handy tool that promises to tackle plaque, food particles, and gum care with ease. Keep watching to see how it performs. These interdental picks are designed to remove plaque and food particles effectively from between your teeth, something that a regular toothbrush might miss. The soft, flexible rubber design allows for gentle yet effective cleaning. They also help massage your gums, which can improve your overall gum health and contribute to fresher breath. With 100 picks in the pack, it's a generous amount for your daily routine. Now, what makes these picks particularly useful is the travel case. It keeps everything clean and sanitary, whether you're at home or on the go. Very handy if you need a quick pick-me-up while traveling or at work. They're also orthodontic safe, making them a great option for anyone with dental work like crowns, bridges, or implants. And if you like gum soft picks, this is definitely a product you should consider trying. In terms of usability, I found these interdental picks super easy to incorporate into my routine. The design is simple but effective. You just use them between your teeth to get rid of those annoying particles that hang around. The picks are soft enough that they don't hurt your gums, but firm enough to feel like they're actually doing something. Honestly, I love how easy and convenient it is, and the fact that it's disposable makes it even more hygienic. There's no doubt these interdental picks do the job, but there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While they're great for basic use, they may not be suitable for more heavy-duty plaque removal if you have a lot of buildup or if you're used to a more advanced cleaning method. The picks are small and disposable, so they do have their limitations for those who prefer reusable or eco-friendly options. Now let's talk about value for money. These are incredibly affordable, especially when you compare them to other dental tools on the market. You get 100 picks for a very reasonable price, and with the convenience of disposable single-use picks, it's a solid deal if you're looking for something simple and effective without breaking the bank. If you're looking for alternatives, you could opt for other interdental brushes, but they'll often be a bit pricier, and you might lose the ease and portability of these disposable picks. If budget and convenience are your top priorities, though, these Amazon Basics picks definitely fit the bill. The build quality is fine for what it is. The picks are sturdy enough to do their job, and the case does a great job of keeping everything clean, whether you're at home or on the go. However, because they are single-use, they won't last as long as other more durable options. So would I recommend the Amazon Basics Interdental Picks? If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and effective way to clean between your teeth, then yes, they do exactly what they promise. Remove plaque, clean between your teeth, and even help massage your gums. Plus, the travel-friendly case is a nice touch for anyone who's always on the move. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in giving these a try, the link to purchase will be in the description box. And if you've already used them, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.